I'm Susie, the Training Ambassador with Mayflower. Merry Christmas to all of you, and thank you for all of your extra work and your diligent efforts that you're putting towards your departments this year. It's always fun to see a great looking floral department when we walk into the supermarkets. That being said, I'd like to give you a quick tip, something that you could use to utilize this decoration thing that you have in front of you. We are going to use some balloons, and these are going to be your 11-inch balloons. I filled each one of these up so that each one of them are exactly 8 inches across. So that is 28, 29 pumps if you're using a hand pump, and if you're not using a hand pump, then just make sure that they're all 8 inches across. So what I've done is gone ahead of time, you're welcome, and blown these up, and duplet, we're just going to put them together to create a quad. So that's one quad, and then here is your second quad. So you're going to want to stack them on top of each other. The natural propensity is for it to go like this, but you want to stack them just like it is a present, because that's what this is ever going to be. Alright, so I have a balloon scrap, and I'm just going to tie them together. And I'm going to put a weight on here so that your decoration doesn't just fly away. And we're just going to tie it in side. Giving this a little knot. And now that I have this upside down, I'm going to want to protect the feet of this. So I just have a little bit of tape. Just going to run a little bit on the bottom, just to protect it from anything that could make these pop. This is an important step. Okay, now that those are footed, we just want these to stack on top of each other, like I say. Okay, now we can add a couple of 1/60s. I've gone ahead of time and also inflated these so that they're inflated all the way to the tips. And I'm just going to take the inflation ends, tie them together, and we're just going to go around, cross on the bottom, like this. Bring these back up. And at this point I can just do a little pinch twist at the top. So it ends up looking like this at the tip. That way it's not going anywhere, nice and solid. And that is base number 1. Now we're going to work on base number 2. And that is going to require 5-inch balloons, 5 pumps each. And I don't know why I saved this part for you, but I think it's important that everybody knows how to do this properly. So you want to just take your balloon, put it down to the first nodule, give it a nice, tight, firm grip, and then 5 pumps. I'm going to take the balloon, hold it with my 2 fingers so that I don't have to tie the balloons twice. Starting with the pump at the base and 5 pumps. I'm going to wrap them around each other twice, and then just give it a tie, creating a duplet. Duplet is the quad. Okay, so this is going to have the same exact thing, but we don't have to put weight on this, nor do we need to put tape on them. So I'm going to take 2 more 1/60s. They're inflated so they have a little bit of give to them. Tie them end to end. Just go across. Going down here. And it just cross over itself. Just like this. Right back up to the top. And these guys can cross over themselves also. Then I'm going to take these two, pinch twist them together, and then this is just going to sit underneath this cross so that it's all tied up uniformly. So that's a cute bow, but I think we can do a little bit better. So you're going to take your final 160, tie the end together, and then we're going to make this 3 different pieces. So your end tie is going to be in one hand, and then we're going to go 1/3 of the way over, twist it, 1/3 of the way over, twist it, so that we have 3 equal parts. Then we're going to bring all of these together and twist this, creating a bow. So I like a bow with a little bit more bow-like substance. So I'm going to just kind of create a little bit more of a rounded instead of a pointed bow here. Just warm that up a little bit and create it within your hand, just to take the harsh edges away. Okay, this can come right on inside. Just move it around here. Down. Okay, now this will join on top of this, and I've got my little pinch twist that I've made with the top of my bow, so I can just connect them with that. And now I've got a stack of presents. And I think that dessert, or the cherry on the cake, would be some cute balloons that have presents on them. And we will just take this, tie it right on inside. And now we have these. And something that I think we may want to add in is a little bit of curling ribbon. A little bit of curling ribbon goes a long way. We'll just put it around the top, cross it over, and it just dangles down. All right, I hope that this quick tip will help you decorate your wonderful floral departments. Thank you again for all the hard work that you put in during this season. I know that there's a lot of extra for you to do. But this is really cute, and I hope that this will help you sell this season. Thanks again for joining us, and have yourself a wonderful Merry Christmas with you and your family.